Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Windows terminal is not working or opening properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in terminal. Best result should come back with terminal, and you want to right click on it and select App Settings. On the right side, scroll down underneath Reset. And the first option here, if the app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. Now, if that does not resolve the problem, you can move on to the second option here. So if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then hopefully this pointer issue should have been resolved. If you're still having a problem, one final thing we can look into here as well. If you close out of here and open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes, and now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC and then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once it has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process for you to follow. And as always, thank you for watching. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.